Like a lot of you guys, I enjoy playing video games, and so sometimes I like to take a bit of inspiration from them for dream control techniques. And today I want to share one of those techniques with you. It is really simple, but it is really quite effective. Before we get started, I just want to remind you guys that this video is sponsored by you guys. If you enjoy lucid dreaming and you would like a complete book all about it, then check out the Lucid Dream book. I put it together to help you guys learn how to lucid dream from start to finish, everything that you need to know. Getting a copy also helps support the channel because, believe it or not, ad revenue on YouTube is not very good when you have view numbers like mine. It's the people that have been buying my book that have helped allow me to keep making videos. So everyone who owns a copy, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you'd like to get a copy yourself, check out the link in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. Anyway, on to the subject at hand. So what is this dream control technique that I've been teasing you guys about? Well, I'll give you a clue. Think about video game power-ups. Yes, today we're going to be creating our own video game power-ups in lucid dreams. And the way that you're going to do it is really rather simple. You need to eat things in your dream. Now you could spawn some kind of power-up that looks like a video game power-up, eat that and get whatever power that the power-up in the game would give you. You know, maybe you spawn some sort of shield thing and you eat that and it gives you armor. But you don't need to do that, because the great thing about lucid dreams, or well, this is going to sound a little bit weird, but one of the great things about lucid dreams is that you can eat just about anything. You can like take a brick out of the wall and just chow down on it in a lucid dream. And it's not going to be like eating a brick. You're not going to chip your teeth. It might even actually taste weirdly good. So what you can do is you can think of everyday mundane objects and you can assign a utility to those. You can say something like, you know, if I eat a piece of my clothing, I'm going to get this power. If I eat a bit of the wall, I'm going to get this power. If I eat a bit of the table, I'm going to get this power. It sounds really silly and ridiculous, and it feels it when you're doing it, but you can use this to assign a particular ability or dream control technique to an everyday item that you're going to find in lots of your dreams. And then you can build up this association over time that whenever you eat that thing, you get this particular power. And so it's really great because you're going to be around that thing a lot of the time. It's just going to be something that you see. You know, if you pick, for example, like a table, there's going to be tons and tons of dreams where you're in a room with a table without having to have done anything to get there. So now if you have decided that, you know, eating a bit of a table allows you to fly, then immediately whenever you're in a room with a table, you have easy access to that ability. Now, you don't need to do this. There are other ways of flying. I've talked about some of them in my previous videos. But what's great about this is that it uses something that you're familiar with from video games. You've seen characters, you know, go up, pick up a power-up and get a particular ability. So you already have that association in your brain that can work to give someone some sort of ability or upgrade. So this can be a really great thing for if you're not sure how to create an interesting dream control technique for something. Let's say there's something really particular you want to do. I don't know. You want to shoot laser beams out of your eyes for whatever reason. And you're stuck thinking of a good way to make that happen. You're stuck thinking of, how do I make myself believe that I'm going to shoot laser beams out of my eyes? Well, you can just find some simple item that you're going to be around every day and tell yourself that, hey, when I eat this, this is going to let me shoot laser beams out of my eye. And you can just practice that a few times. Get it to the point where it's happening every time you eat that thing, and now you have that ability easily on tap. One thing that I've personally used this for is for changing size, because I was really stuck thinking of a way, how do I actually change my size in a lucid dream? I was trying to like imagine myself growing bigger and imagine myself growing smaller, and that sometimes worked, but it was kind of hit or miss. And so I had this idea, what if I just ate an object that made me really big and ate an object that made me really small? Because that's like something that you see happen in a video game sometimes. So I was like, okay, I'll try that. And I tried that and it worked much better for me. In particular, what I did was I chose red objects for getting bigger and green objects for getting smaller. So I can just eat anything green and get smaller. I can eat anything red and get bigger. It's not necessarily the best combination for me to have picked, because I've noticed that with plants being green, there are vastly more green things around for me to actually eat. So I've thought about changing it to something else, but for now it's, you know, good enough. It gets the job done easier than when I was trying to just sort of shrink and grow myself using my mind. And because I made it not something very specific, I made it all red objects and all green objects, it's a lot easier than if I just said, you know, I have to eat a pillowcase, or I have to eat a phone, or whatever the hell random object I decided I'd have to eat. So if you're trying this out for yourself, think about things that you can do like that. Like maybe make it so that every time you eat a round object, something happens, or every time you eat something made out of wood, or every time you eat something that's square. And you can even tie this in with something that I've taught you guys before, which is trying to use things that are fitting for what you want to do. So maybe you want to get stronger, so you eat like some things related to strength. You know, you take a bite out of a barbell, or you eat some protein powder in your dream. Maybe for shrinking and getting bigger, if you want to do that a bit better than I did, you could choose really, really tiny objects and really, really big objects. Maybe when you take a bite out of something huge in your dream, like a giant building, it makes you really, really big. And if you take a bite out of something tiny, like a grain of sand, it makes you really, really small. And what you can do to help get this working the first times that you try this is actually write down what you're going to eat and what effect it's going to give you before your dream, and sit down, meditate for a bit, and then visualize yourself actually doing that and what effect is going to happen, so that when you actually do it in the dream, you're prepared and you have an idea of what should be happening. Then just practice it a few times in the dream. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time, or if it only works, half of the time. Try it out a few times until it starts happening more and more frequently, and then it can be a reliable technique for you. Because with repetition, the technique will just get more and more effective. So I hope you've enjoyed this little technique. If you have any interesting dream control techniques of your own, share them down in the comments below. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable all notifications so you can stay up to date when new videos come out. And if you want to keep watching, check out one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you there soon. Take care and have some awesome lucid dreams.